Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove unused rows and columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document with a table. Now I remove unused rows and columns in this table. You can see here are one unused row and one unused column. Now I delete this both of this. At first you have to select to drag on your mouse this row. Then right click on this selected row. Then you can see here are delete row option. Just press delete row. Now you can see I just remove this row very easily. Now I can remove this column. Select this column to drag on your mouse, then right click on this column. Now you can see here are delete column option. Just press it. Now you can see I remove unused rows and columns in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.